in a minute.
I just got that one 6 months ago.
That was 6 months ago. I need your mom. Please.
Okay, I'll talk to my accountant so we'll work it out.
Aww. You're a darling. Thank you.
So what last did you speak to?
So just 2 days ago.
Okay, I spoke to her today. Folded us.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, anything to make you happy. As long as you promise to keep being good.
Of course, I will.
Maybe I don't want us to talk. I'm sorry about what happened in the morning. But you didn't have to barge in like that. That was not nice.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear you coming last night, so when I woke up this morning, I just ran to your room. I didn't know you had a visitor. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I understand. And I'm equally sorry for the way my girl spoke to you. Okay, so tell me, what will I do to make it up to you?
Why don't we go for shopping today, swimming tomorrow, then we'll visit Auntie Botimi on Sunday.
Auntie Botimi on Sunday. I will think about that.
No, you're not thinking about it. You said whatever I want, right?
Okay, so now you are trying to use me now. Okay, fine. Why don't I go to work and come back, then we go for shopping.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
My king, my father asked me to come and see you because I'm now the new managing director of the company. It will be my pleasure to be working with you, sir.
You're welcome. You are now a man. I have never doubted your potential for one day. You are a very responsible young man. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you very much.
This definitely calls for celebration.
Thank you very much.
And what is my king about to celebrate without the queen? Oh, I'm here. Greetings. What are you trying to celebrate?
Mike here just achieved a wonderful thing. He is now the managing director of the family company.
Really?
To share with us.
Oh, congratulations, my dear.
Thank you so much.
Have you told my daughter?
It's my call. I want to do it personally when she returns home from the company.
So, speaking of the princess, we would like you to pick that up from the airport at 9 o'clock to be precise. That was our arrangement, and I believe you will consent to that too.
Thank you so much, my queen. With all pleasure. I beg to take my leave now. I have one or two things to tidy up on my table. Thank you so much.
It's okay, my regards to your parents.
See what I'm talking about? You will definitely make a wonderful husband.
Do you trust him that much?
Yes, of course. I have done lots of business with the family for so long. And we never had any issue. So our daughter is making the best choice of our life. Just make it right.
If you say so, my lord. Ah, did I decide?
I just don't say it. And also,
I know you know that, so let's go and eat. Okay.
You know how much I've missed you, right?
I've missed you more, baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So, what's going on?
I'm just fine. Okay. So, you know what I would have wanted right now? No one, baby. Sure. You look so pretty. Let me see that. Hey, I'm on a video call. Excuse me.
Sorry. Who is that?
Baby, is my cousin sister. She came around last week. She plays too much.
Do I know her?
No, you don't know her, baby. So, what do I keep for you upon your return?
Nothing, baby. Don't worry, you will make it when I return, okay? I like it fresh, you know. So, okay, baby, please, will you be able to come pick me up from the airport tomorrow? Or are you gonna be busy with work?
That's not a problem. I'll do that. You know I love you, right?
I just can't. I guess that's the reason you love me so much.
I love you. I love you so much.
Alright, see you tomorrow. I've got to go.
Okay. So do take care of yourself. Be good for me, huh? Alright, baby.
Oh, baby. So good to be home again.
Yeah, you can say that again.
At least I am just so proud and happy to see your handsome face.
I have missed you so much, darling.
I missed you more, you know
so
it.
excited.
Excited. So, how about your parents?
Dad and Mom, we are fine. They were so excited. But you know I was more excited.
I really can't wait to see them. And of course, let's get home. I have a lot of things to say to you.
Yeah, baby. Oh, you got a lot to share with me?
Yes.
Sure.
Stop it.
I miss you so much.
I missed you more, my love. I really do. Yep.
Wow.
So,
you know that feeling?
that's good. Baby. Honestly, I missed you from my heart.
I missed you more, baby. So tell me, how was it?
It's been beautiful. You know, being in another man's land and kind of just stand. But it's fine. It's been great.
What's that?
I am very happy that you're finally back home to Nigeria after 7 years of absence.
Thank you, Father.
I am
I'm so happy to see you. See, calls were not enough. We needed to see you here so we can baby you and feed you. Mother.
Yes, I missed both of you so much. Honestly, I missed you too.
We missed you too.
As for taking care of mother, I am not a child anymore. I can take good care of myself, so... Meanwhile, I missed your food, mother. I did.
So you're going to eat a lot of food in fact I'm going to overfeed you because it's sweet.
She's very correct. Speaking about taking care of, Mike is here to always take care of you if you don't want us to take care of you anymore. Mike, am I right?
You're right, Your Majesty. I can do anything for her.
Father, you wouldn't believe what happened to me the first time I saw someone eating raw fish in the US. I practically threw up everything in my system. And I couldn't sleep as well. It was weird. Ew.
You know some people eat raw fish. As you stay there, you need to get used to it, right? I don't be one day you eat the fish with them. I don't know.
Yes, Mother.
So did you eat?
No, I did not, but I just had to get you in the situation.
That's it. Bon appetit.
How can I eat you with my crown?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Father.
It's okay.
Better.
I feel like eating everything here.
I'm going to eat something. Just one second.
So, Mother, what about my kids? I've not seen her since I returned.
She traveled. But she's away, you're here. Don't join us.
That's me. Greetings, my friend. Greetings to you.
I'm not gorgeous. What must be something else to have made it this beautiful?
Thank you.
How
so
was your
much.
trip yesterday?
It was beautiful. I didn't ask after you, but I was told you went out.
I made a little trip. I missed your welcome back party. I hope I'm pardoned.
Of course, my queen.
Wow.
We can always have another party, you know.
Seems you're going out.
Yes, I'm hurrying to somewhere.
Oh, please be careful. Be very careful and make sure you come back. Check it.
Thank you.
Because I don't want anything to happen.
See you when I get back.
You're welcome. What should I say? Good morning.
Why are you not in bed?
I was waiting for you to come back so that I could serve you. Prepared your meal.
I'm sorry, I didn't know I was going to stay out this late. Okay, not too bad.
Hey, Auntie! How are you? Please come.
How are you? Thank you. Oh, Romeo. How are you?
Okay.
I can see that you're looking good.
Well, thank God. I need to.
My God.
Wow.
Wow.
It's okay, all for you.
David, please just get me chilled water, okay?
Oh, no. Well, I had a family.
Oh, very well. Very well. So how about you?
We're fine. We're just, today's my off, so I'm just home.
Okay, you didn't go to work today?
No, I didn't. I did myself get some fire and stuff.
Thank you.
Auntie, we had plans of visiting you tomorrow, but since you're here, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you. I'm doing very well. So, how is your brother treating you?
He's doing his best and we are happy.
You said he's doing his best by coming home late at night, you mean?
Oh, Auntie, please. Don't say that. I'm doing my best by trying to stop coming home late at night. That's also like doing my best.
Okay. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying is because Debbie should move to my house. Because she's a young girl that needs training and care. So, Romy, if you cannot take care of her, then send her to me.
I'm sorry, I cannot grant that. Debbie is my only sister. She's the only important person close to me.
Auntie, please let me stay with him. He's doing his best. He has promised to change. I trust he will. Please.
What are you saying about marriage? Or he's still trying to?
Please, can you just take a chill pill? You just got here. You need to eat food as well and rest.
Auntie, we have fresh fish, pepper soup and agidi. Let me make it hot for you.
So you are bribing me with fish and agidi. You know that is my favorite. Okay. Let me just have a taste of that.
You like the food?
So yummy, I love it. No much spicy. It's natural. I like it.
I'm glad you do. This food was supposed to come with water. What is still keeping it?
Why shouldn't be? The girl will be here soon, so let's eat. You know.
What happened to the water? Did we have to wait for Saturday? Will you shut up? You left me here and attended to those low lives. Are you stupid or something?
My girl! Stop it! We're talking! Michael, what time is here now? This girl is doing her job. I think you should let it go.
Cherry on both sides, are you? This girl did something wrong. And you're here taking sides with her. You just embarrass me. What is this? Did you just ask her to leave? Oh, shut up! Shut up!
Michael? Michael! Michael!
So how did everything go?
Very, very well. It was tough having issue, but they had to listen to me and let me play.
I know. I trust you.
Yes.
Oh, so they all kept quiet.
Just take it.
Father.
Princess.
Father.
Hello.
Thank you, Father. Mother, Father, I was watching both of you from a distance and trust me, I love the way that makes you happy. I saw you blushing and all. I was like, oh. I love the love that both of you share, Mother. Father, I would love to have a man like you as my husband when I am ready.
When you are ready, you said. Well, your mother is happy because she married at the right age and to the right man.
The right man, you say, Father. But I am yet to find the right man.
What about Mike? Mike and his family are friends to this family. In fact, they are more than friends to us. That young man is handsome. He's hardworking. I know very well that he will take care of you. Why not just give him a little chance?
Your advice is a great one, Mother. This. But I want a man. I want a real man, not a babysitter, Mother. Yes. As for being taken care of, I can take very good care of myself and both of you. So, I appreciate it if you don't continue with this discussion. Father, I want to take a walk. I'll see you later. Excuse me.
I really don't know what is wrong with young children of nowadays. They seem to be caught up with very unorthodox things. Things that will not add any value to their life. They think it's their way or the highway.
Give her some time. Now she was to get used to this environment when she just came back. Give her a little time, she will be fine. Why don't you go ahead and tell me about the meeting and the time you guys started and how you dominated the whole environment?
At the end of the day, I prevailed.
Because I'm not there, exactly.
You know the back. I can say that.
Are you alright?
It's Mom and Dad.
What about them?
Can you believe it? They're trying to hook me up with Michael.
That's not possible.
Exactly what I told them.
No, that's not what I mean. What I'm trying to say is that I was thinking you like Mike and Mike likes you too. And both of